In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro with Slack. By the end, you'll have the Miro app installed in Slack, your accounts connected, and 2 simple ways to share boards without breaking your flow. First, let's get the integration in place. Open the Slack app directory. You can do this from Slack by clicking apps and then browse, or by visiting the directory in your browser. In the search bar, type Miro, then select the official Miro app and click install. Slack will guide you through a short setup. This install just adds the bridge between Slack and Miro so they can talk to each other. Next, follow the prompts to connect your Miro account to Slack. If you're not signed into Miro, you'll be asked to log in. Then you'll see an authorization screen explaining what the app can do. Review the details and approve to finish connecting. If you use more than one Slack workspace, double check that you're installing into the right one. Occasionally, workspaces require admin approval, so if you see a message about permissions, that simply means your admin needs to okay the app before you continue. With the connection set, let's share a Miro board directly from Slack. In any channel or direct message, type the /command /Miro and paste the board link right after it, then send. To get the link, copy it from your Miro board as you normally would. Slack will unfurl a preview with the board's title and a quick snapshot, which keeps the conversation clear and searchable. You can add a sentence of context to your message so teammates know what to look at. Keep in mind that people can only open what they're allowed to see. If the board is restricted, they'll be prompted to request access. You can also share from inside Miro when you're already working in a board. Click the Share to Slack button, choose the channel or person you want to notify, add a short note if needed, and confirm. This is great when you've just finished a change and want to keep momentum without switching apps. That's it. Install the Miro app from the Slack app directory, connect your Miro account, share a board with Miro in Slack, or share straight from Miro using Share to Slack. Try both methods and pick the one that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching and enjoy collaborating faster with Miro and Slack.